Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. The plaint filed by Ram Singh further stated that some differences had arisen between the members of the joint Hindu family, and as a result of a family settlement the said land was given to him. Stop. Ram Singh further stated that he was in cultivating possession of the agricultural land and in physical possession of the residential house. Stop. Ram Singh averred that Bhagwana refused to admit his claim to the agricultural land and the residential house, and in effect sought to negate the family settlement. Stop. Accordingly, Ram Singh prayed for a declaration that he is the owner and in cultivating possession of the agricultural land and in physical possession of the residential house. Stop. On 5th November 1980, Bhagwana filed his written statement admitting the entire claim set up by Ram Singh. Stop. It appears that Bhagwana's statement was also recorded subsequently. Stop. In view of the written statement as also Bhagwana's oral statement, the senior sub-judge Sonipat passed a consent decree on 24th November 1980 and decreed the suit as prayed for by Ram Singh. Stop. The result of the decree was that Ram Singh was declared the owner in possession of 52 canals of land, that is, the agricultural land and the residential house in the revenue estate of Nijampur Majra in district Sonipat. Stop. In view of the consent decree, there was no occasion for the senior sub-judge to decide whether there was or was not any family settlement, nor did the occasion arise for him to specifically decide whether the said land was self-acquired or ancestral. Stop para. However, two conclusions can be drawn quite safely. Within bracket 1, there was no denial of the existence of a family settlement, but on the contrary, this was admitted by Bhagwana. Within bracket 2, the family settlement could be with reference to both the ancestral property as well as the self-acquired property, or only with reference to the ancestral property. Stop. Bhagwana had two daughters, namely Fulpati and Fuldevi. Stop. He had no son. Stop. On 11th March 1982, another nephew of Bhagwana, that is Shobha Ram, along with Fulpati and Fuldevi, filed suit number 234 of 1982 before the senior sub-judge Sonipat. Stop. In that suit, Ram Singh was the first defendant and Bhagwana was the second defendant. Stop. It was stated in the plaint that Bhagwana is the owner of 52 canals of land which was inherited by him from his lineal male ascendant, and that the properties are ancestral in his hands. Stop. It was averred that Bhagwana could not gift the agricultural land and residential house to anybody, thereby depriving his legal heirs of their rights in the disputed property. Stop. It was further averred in the plaint that the decree dated 24th November 1980 was obtained collusively by Ram Singh, and that the admissions made by Bhagwana in the suit filed by Ram Singh were without applying his mind. Stop. It was stated that there was no family settlement whatsoever, and that the decree dated 24th November 1980 amounted to a gift made by Bhagwana in favor of Ram Singh. Stop. This could only be through a written instrument that was duly stamped and registered. Stop. Since the gift was neither written nor stamped nor registered, it could not be acted upon. Stop over.